Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Stinger oil. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, a new oil filter, and about 7 quarts of the correct engine oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not scalding hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. Finally, safely lift your Stinger and secure it firmly on jack stands for access. Now, let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the used oil drain completely. This might take several minutes. While it's draining, check the drain plug's gasket. If it looks worn, replace it to prevent future leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Unscrew and remove the old oil filter, then clean the area where it sits. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's tight but not excessively so, to prevent stripping. Now for the fresh oil. Carefully pour about 6-8 quarts of the recommended new engine oil into the filler cap. Once filled, start your Stinger's engine for a minute or two, then shut it off. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct and inspect underneath for any leaks. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.